Hello, my name is Addison Caruso. I'm an Ohio staff attorney with Fair Shake Environmental Legal Services. And this is some things you should know before you sign about pore and storage space and carbon capture storage. Fair Shake Environmental Legal Services is a nonprofit environmental law firm that represents clients of all income levels on environmental and energy justice matters. We are dedicated to the idea of community and client-centric representation and believe in empowering the communities and individuals we work with. We provide services on a pro bono and sliding scale to both individuals and organizations. We focus on traditionally underserved clients who are directly affected by environmental harms. We have many wonderful non-attorneys on our staff as well who provide support, resources, and assistance to communities and assist them in building people power. We also have a robust internship program where we aim to educate young attorneys and law students to understand how they can best serve underserved communities. As a disclaimer, the presentation is only for general informational purposes only, and this information contained should not be construed to be legal advice or to signify the formation of a lawyer-client relationship. If you have any questions, please reach out to an attorney for more information. What is carbon capture and storage? First off, carbon dioxide is what we breathe. We breathe out of our bodies when we exhale, and so little amounts are important for life. But in large quantities, it is also a heat-trapping gas, sometimes referred to as a greenhouse gas. Right now, power plants, manufacturing, industrial facilities, and long-haul trucks and transportations release huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the air, which research shows is contributing to climate change. It is likely that this is only going to continue, and that is why carbon capture has become more popular in recent years as a way to store our carbon underground. The Ohio Department of Natural Resources defines carbon capture, utilization, and storage as the process by which carbon dioxide is removed from these industrial sources, transported, and then stored underground for either commercial use or injected for long-term sequestration. Carbon dioxide is often transported through pipelines and then pumped into pore space or storage space. In order to do this, if companies do not own the land themselves, they need to sign a lease with landowners to store that carbon dioxide under their land and to pump it underground. This space that is being stored is called pore space. This part of the country, Eastern Ohio, West Virginia, and Western Pennsylvania, has been identified as having the right stuff, which means we have the right geology to be a good spot to store carbon in our region. This means that fracking may potentially continue or increase. More pipelines might be built in the area to carry carbon from one location to the other. And this technology is still very new, so a lot of money might be coming in to see how exactly this new process works and whether it is a good idea or not. For more information, the Ohio River Valley Institute has put together a lot of resources to help folks understand this process, and there's still much research being done as this is a fairly new process. If you have any questions about the legal aspects of this or want to learn more about pore space, please feel free to reach out to us at Fair Shake Environmental Legal Services. Our information is included on this slide. Thank you.